Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is João. So today we are going to learn Matplotlib, okay? Data visualization in Python using Matplotlib. So in this tutorial, okay, we will learn how we can create graphical so that we can display some data by using Matplotlib and Python, okay? So here we'll talk about how we can create a line chart by using Matplotlib, bar chart, and pie chart, and we'll learn so how we can save a graph in Matplotlib, okay? So in the end, we'll be having one project that we'll create, okay, which is this one, okay, personal budget, by using Python, Tkinter, and Matplotlib, okay? It's like first we learn the concepts, okay, how we can use Matplotlib, okay, how it works properly. Then we'll create one big project, which is this one, okay, that we can put in practice everything that will be learned from the course itself, okay? So this project is very easy, okay? We can insert like a new expense, we can insert the income, okay, and we can insert also a category. Then whatever we insert, it will be shown here, okay? It will be displayed here as a graphic. For example, let me set a new amount, okay? For example, let's say 500. So 500, if I click on add, we can choose also a date that we want to insert it, okay? If I choose on add, boom, as you can see, data is inserted successfully, and boom, now here the total amount change, okay? Even the graph, the behavior of the graph will change also. So if I insert, for example, new category, let's say travel. If I click on travel, okay, boom, I just add a new category. Okay, now let's say if I want to to insert a new expense, okay, I have to come here. I need to choose any category. For example, the travel is the category that we just insert few seconds ago. If I choose travel, okay, then I can choose also the date that I use the amount, okay. So let me go for 2025, and if I choose, for example, 19, then here I can enter an amount, for example, that I'm going to expend for travel, for example, let's say 250. And if I add, okay, if I add, boom, data inserted successfully. If I do okay, everything will update, okay. So now we can see the expense just increase, my balance also now decrease, okay. Now and even here a new category was inserted. For example, travel. For travel, is like I spend like 20% of my money, okay, of my expenses, like for travel, 45% for food, okay. So that means I'm wasting too much money for food. And for insurance, I only 12%, and then for loan, that I took some loans, okay, is 21.6%, okay. And here we can see the income and expense table, okay. So whatever income that I will insert, it will be displayed here. Even my expense also is going to display here. So this is a perfect project, okay, so that you can practice by using Python, Matplotlib, okay. It's like first we learn the theory, which with Matplotlib, okay, how those graphical work, we try to understand them. Then we'll create a big project, okay, which is this one, personal budget, by using Python, Matplotlib, and Tkinter in combination, okay. So if you don't want to wait till I will finish this tutorial, okay, you don't need to worry, okay. I created some kind of ebook. I'll keep the link in the description, okay. That ebook, you can find a small guide about Matplotlib, and also the full code of this same project, okay. Even that ebook, there's also some kind of, I think, one project, if I'm not wrong, and apart of that, you will find the full code also for this project also, okay, so that you can have the code, and then you can do whatever you want. So depend the way that you are going to learn, or you are going to use the same code. So I'll keep the link on the description of this video. You can go there and you can grab the ebook, okay. You can get the ebook. So now let's go back for what is very important for us, okay. Let's talk about Matplotlib. So what is Matplotlib, okay? So Matplotlib is very used in Python, okay, for data visualization, principally for the beginners, okay. And not only for the beginners, even for some advanced things, okay. Matplotlib is very used for data visualization in Python, okay. So it can be used for web, even for desktop application, and it's also very easy to learn Matplotlib. So it doesn't take, to be honest, doesn't take a long time, okay. In one day you can fully understand Matplotlib in Python, okay. So the first thing that we need to do if you want to use Matplotlib is we need to install Matplotlib in our machine, okay. So me, I'm using Windows, okay, and since I'm using Windows, I will do it for Windows. But if you are using another system, or maybe Linux or Mac OS, no need to worry, okay. So in the description I will keep the links, or where you can go and see and read the tutorial about this, okay. So the first thing that we need to do is to install Matplotlib in our machine. So for that, we are going to do something like this, okay. As we said, first we need to install Matplotlib. So in Windows, to install Matplotlib is something like that, okay. You come to your terminal. Okay, let me just clear this, clear. So you just come into your terminal, enter the following command. Okay, just do pip. Okay, pip. Why is doing like that? Because of space is small. Control P, boom. Oh, sorry, no, let's come here. So you just come here in your terminal and enter a command like this. Okay, pip. Oh, my mistake, sorry. Okay, pip install. What we need to install? We need to install matplotlib. Okay, matplotlib. Okay, so I'll keep this command also in the description of this same video. Okay, so that you can make use of it. Okay, so you just need to enter this command, pip install matplotlib. So this is the command that you need to enter. Okay, in your terminal, pip install matplotlib. After that, just hit enter. It will install. Okay, since me I have installed it, I'm not going to install it again. Okay, when it will finish the installation, okay, you can take this code, this line of code. Okay, I'll keep this line of code also in the description of this same video. Okay, so that you can check if matplotlib is installed or not. So you can just take this, okay, this line of code, okay, save it and run to see what will be the result. Okay, just run this code, save, and Control B. So you'll get the result. You get something like this. Okay, so that means matplotlib is installed in our machine.